could slow it down. Would my feet
Hey, my legends. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge is the Descendants and Zombies Worlds Collide Tour. And yep, it's all about Guess Who's Singing live on stage. All right then, let's hit the spotlight and play. Here comes your first one. Okay, first up, who's singing the solo opener?
I could slow it down. Would my feet
That's Freya Skye, Nova, singing Gold's Gone. Incredible start. You rocked it.
I could slow it down. Would my feet
That beat is fire. Who's holding that verse? Yes, Kylie Cantrell, Red, singing Red. Brilliant. Who sings better? Freya Skye as Nova or Kylie Cantrell as Uma? Cast your vote. Can you spot the real logo here? Take your pick. It's B. That's the real logo. Sharp eyes. Listen, who's delivering this energy?
Those sticky vamps are gonna learn. Try to come at us. You're gonna go home.
Yup, Malachi Barton, Victor on The Place to Be. Amazing guess.
Those sticky vamps are gonna learn. Try to come at us. You're gonna go home.
This duet sounds sweet. Who could it be? It's Freya Skye and Malachi Barton, Nova and Victor. Someday. You nailed the vibe. Would you rather Freya Skye and Malachi Barton or the iconic duo Zed and Addison? Hit like if you're Team Freya and Malachi and smash that sub button if you're all about Zed and Addison. Okay, group call. Who's belting this part? Correct. Kylie Cantrell, Malia Baker, Joshua Colley, and Malachi Barton. Rotten to the core. You got it. This one's daring. Any idea who's singing? Spot on. Dara Renee and Joshua Colley. Perfect revenge. You're sharp. So tell me, which singer do you like more? Comment your pick below. And hey, don't forget to like and sub for more. Oh wow, this one's fiery. Who's behind that fierce voice? Exactly. That's Dara Renee, Juliana, performing What's My Name? Brilliant pick. Guess the eye? Could this be Dara Renee? Yes, that's Dara Renee. Sharp eye if you got it right. This energy is fire. Guess who's on the mic? Malachi Barton, Joshua Colley, and McConnon Knife, Victor, Hook, and Vargas fired up. Great ears. This is powerful. Any guesses who's singing?
Anybody wanna be like us? Everybody wanna be like us.
What? All the boys from...
Yes, that's Malia Baker. Chloe, in Good to Be Bad, excellent.
Anybody wanna be like us? Everybody wanna be like us.
What? All the boys from...
Okay, time to rate this song.
It's good to be bad. From the I was bad. It's good to be bad.
Drop your rating in the comments. Next up, whose voice is leading this part?
So if you want the meaning, I'll show you how to get it.
Perfect, that's McConnon Knife. Vargas, singing Fired Up. Fantastic guess.
So if you want the meaning, I'll show you how to get it.
Okay, listen closely. Who's singing this part right now?
Stop time for a minute, taking the night while we're in it.
Yes, that's Joshua Colley as Hook, singing I'm Gonna Remember This.
Stop time for a minute, taking the night while we're in it.
Would you choose your boyfriend Joshua Colley or McConnon Knife? Drop your pick in the comments. This one's bold. Can you name the duet?
Everyone come take your shot. Now's the time.
Malia Baker and McConnon Knife, Chloe and Vargas. Good to be bad. You got it.
Everyone come take your shot. Now's the time.
This duo is glowing. Any idea who it is?
Who's best? Show pass every test.
Kylie Cantrell and Dara Renee, Red and Juliana, chillin' like a villain, like the zombies do. So well done.
Who's best? Show pass every test.
And that's a wrap on today's quiz. So which choice surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you had fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome quizzes. See you next time.